Tired of hunting for the PDF export button in Gamma? I will show you exactly where it is in under a minute. You have built a beautiful presentation, and now you just need to get it out of Gamma and into a format you can share, print, or email. And honestly, that export button can be surprisingly tricky to find if you do not know where to look. Just follow these 4 simple steps. Click the menu, export, choose PDF, and wait for the download. That is it. 4 steps, maybe 60 seconds of your time, and you were done.
So let us start with the first step. And here is the thing about Gamma. They hide their main menu right up in the top right corner. You are looking for a little icon that looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. It's a common symbol for more options in a lot of software, so keep that in mind for the future. Now, go ahead and move your mouse up to the very top right of your screen, right next to your profile picture or your presentation title. You will see those 3 little dots. Click on them.
All right, so now that we have opened that menu, the list of options will drop down. Do not get distracted by everything else in there. You are looking for one specific word. Scroll down a little bit until you see the option that says Export with 3 dots after it. It is usually about halfway down the list. Just click on that one, and it will open up a submenu to the side. Now, pay attention to this one because this is the main event. From that submenu, you will see a few different formats you can export to. You might see options like PowerPoint or Google Slides, but you want the one that says Export to PDF. Click on that. Your browser might do a little dance here. Sometimes it will ask you where you want to save the file, and sometimes it will just start downloading automatically. Do not worry if you see a pop-up from your browser asking for permission. That is totally normal. And now for the final step. This is the easiest part. You just have to wait. Depending on how many slides you have and how many images are in your presentation, the download might take a few seconds, or maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Just hang tight. You will see a small progress indicator at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. Do not click away or close the tab while it is processing. Just let it finish. Once that download is complete, you are all set. You can open that PDF and it will look exactly like your Gamma presentation. All your formatting, your images, your text, everything preserved perfectly. You can now share it with your boss, upload it to a client portal, or print it out for a meeting. You went from being stuck, unable to export your presentation, to confidently downloading a PDF in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.